Hi. This video is about working with integers. Integers are positive and negative whole numbers and zero. There are two sets of rules for working with integers. The first set of rules deals with adding and subtracting integers. The second set of rules deals with multiplying and dividing integers. In this video clip, we'll deal with adding and subtracting integers. The rules for adding and subtracting integers. If the signs of the integers or the numbers are the same, then step 1, you add the numbers, and step 2, you keep the sign. For example 1, when the signs are the same, if you have a +2 and +3, you add the numbers and you will get 5, and you keep the sign. They're both positive. The sign is plus. So you should know that one. 2 plus 3 is 5. Right. Now, here's another example. Example 2. If you have -2, -3, right, the signs are the same, so we have to add the numbers. So we say 2 and 3, 2 plus 3, that's 5. And then you keep the sign. Well, it's minus. So your answer is -5. Another example. -6, -2. Again, they have the same sign, so you add them. They're both minus, so you add them. 6 and 2 is 8, and you keep the sign minus. Another example. +5 +4. They both have the same sign. They're both plus, so we add the numbers. 5 and 4 is 9, and you keep the sign, +9. One more. That was example 4. e.g. 5. -10, -1. They both have the same sign, so you add the numbers. 10 and 1 is 11, and you keep the sign, minus. One more, same as before, e.g. 6. Right, what about this then? -1, -1. Again, they have the same sign, so you add the numbers. 1 plus 1 is 2. And then you keep the sign, which is -2. So -1, -1 again, will give you -2. Okay, now we'll go to the second rule. The second rule is to do with the situation where the signs are different. So we're still adding and subtracting integers, but now the signs are different. And the rule for this is you subtract the numbers and then you keep the sign of the biggest number. For example, e.g. 1. With different signs, if you have 6 -2, that would be a +6 and a -2. They have different signs. One is positive, one is negative. So we subtract them. 2 from 6 leaves 4. And then we choose the sign of the biggest number. The biggest number is 6, and it is positive. We choose positive. So our answer is +4. Another example. 3 -7. That's the same as a +3 -7. So again, the signs are different, so we subtract the numbers. 7 take away 3 is 4. And we choose the sign of the biggest number. Well, it's not 3. The biggest number is 7, and its sign is negative, so it's -4. That was example 2. Example 3. -5 +2. Again, the signs are different. One is plus and one is minus, so we subtract them. 5 take away 2, or the difference between 5 and 2 is 3. So we've got the number part of the answer. Then we have to decide the sign. Well, according to this, you keep the sign of the biggest number. The biggest number is 5, so we will keep the sign of the 5, which is -3. Another example, e.g. 4. Let's see, -10 plus different signs, so we subtract them. 15 minus 10 is 5. The difference between 15 and 10 is 5. And we choose the biggest number. We have a look. That's 15. We choose the sign of that, which is plus. So the answer is plus. Now this question could have been written the other way around. I could have had the 15 at the front. Plus 15 minus 10. And that's more familiar. 15 take away 10 is 5. Plus 5. E.g. 5. Say we have minus 4 plus 7. Different signs, therefore we subtract. 7 take away 4 is 3. Which is the biggest number? 7. Therefore we look at the sign, it's a plus, and we keep it. Plus 3. And the last example, e.g. 6. Say we have minus 9 plus 5. Different signs, so we subtract. 9 take away 5 is 4. 9 is the biggest number. It is minus.